this is what's currently happening right now at the graduation party. It's like so chaotic right now. I'm like in a place where nobody can really like hear me, and I also got a baked butter squishy. It's like very chaotic. Kids are not coming back outside even though, like I was just inside, but I have to be outside. And nothing like special is going on here right now until karaoke. So you know the pro singer and then like there's like a bunch of music in the background. My brother's currently like watching me record right now, and then there's like dog jumping and like the dog bounce. Like, oh my goodness. Sound. I don't know if you guys can hear. Yeah, that was a little shaky probably. And there's like footballs and balls like flying everywhere a minute ago. There's like a bunch of people I do not know here. I only know like half of the majority of people here. So maybe I could try getting my family into a video, which I'll try. My little cousins did not want to be in the video, so just sad. I'll keep you updated on how this graduation party goes and see if I get an interview.